channel where we explore the world of skincare and beauty. My name is Yams, and I'm passionate about all things related to skincare and hair care. On this channel, I'll be sharing tips, tricks, and DIY recipes for achieving healthy, radiant skin and hair. Whether you're a skincare enthusiast or just starting out, this channel is for you. If you're ready to join me on this journey to healthy, glowing skin, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Making your own serum at home can be a fun and cost-effective way to take care of your skin. Here is a simple recipe for a DIY homemade serum. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of organic aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of organic jojoba oil, 1 to 2 drops of vitamin E oil, 3 to 4 drops of lavender essential oil. Instructions: in a small bowl, mix together the aloe vera gel and jojoba oil. Add the vitamin E oil and lavender essential oil and mix well. Transfer the mixture to a small amber glass dropper bottle. Store in a cool, dry place. To use, apply a few drops of the serum to your face and neck after cleansing and toning. Gently massage into your skin using upward circular motions until it's fully absorbed. This DIY serum is moisturizing, soothing, and helps to improve the overall appearance of your skin. The aloe vera gel is hydrating and has anti-inflammatory properties, while jojoba oil is rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to protect and nourish your skin. Vitamin E oil and lavender essential oil have anti-aging properties and help to promote a clear complexion. Thanks for watching.